Hi guys, welcome. This is Lydia. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Click the subscribe button. It will do us a lot of good in this family. And if you are not new here, welcome. Thank you for always coming back. I love you. So today we're going to be talking about money. We're not going to be speaking too much, no long introduction. We're just going to be getting right into it. I'm going to be telling you guys about some jobs, some hustles, some things that you can do to make money. There's a part 1 of this video. I didn't want the video to be long, so that's why I split them into 2. This one is a part 2. The part 1 I spoke about jobs that you can do with no capital at all, and this one I'm going to be speaking about today is jobs that you can do with capital. So if you already have a 9-to-5 job and you're just looking for something to attach to it, to start doing, and eventually maybe leave your 9-to-5 job and focus on that business, you should most definitely check this video out, watch it to the end. I didn't want this video to be long at all. I didn't even script this video, so I just listed the things I'm going to be speaking about today, and I'm just going to be telling you guys what it is, how you should go about it, and all of that. I also have a video on how you should start your business, so if you've not seen that, please check those 2 videos out, and let's get into the video. The first I'm going to be speaking about today is thrifting. Yes, thrifting is a good source of income. It's just basically you going to local markets, getting stuff from them. Most times it is always clothes, shoes, bags. So when you get those stuff, you should clean them up. Please clean them up. Nobody wants to buy trash. Nobody wants to buy trashy items. So when you are picking them out in the local markets, make sure to pick quality items and clean stuff. So you just take them home, clean them up, package them, take pictures of them and all of that stuff, package them, and when people order, after you've taken pictures, when people order, you send it to them, and you see that you've made a lot of money because you buy them at a lower price, and you'd have added your profit to it. I know somebody that was thrifting in school. I actually know a lot of people that are thrifting in school, and somebody that's still thrifting now after school, and she has made a lot of money from it. Trust me guys, she has made a whole lot of money from thrifting. So you definitely want to check out thrifting. You want to go to your local markets like Badagry markets, Oshodi markets, and all of that. Most of the time when people get stuff from thrift local markets and they want to thrift them, they are called Okrika. Yeah, in Nigeria here they are called Okrika. So the next one we're going to be speaking about today is website design. Yes, website design. For this business, for this hustle, you need to acquire some skills. I'm not actually really a tech person, but I know that you cannot just jump and say that okay, I want to start creating website for people. But I know that you would have to spend money to learn some take some courses, or even just go on YouTube and learn how to create websites for people. So I know that for creating websites for people, you can make from 50,000 naira and above, because it is a great source of income. It is a great source of income for you to start creating websites for brands, for people, for businesses, and all of that. And they will also pay you if you want to stay with them. You can also be able, you help them to maintain those websites, or to also teach them how to maintain their website and keep it running in the long run. So website design, it is a great source of income. You just need to pick up that skill today and start applying for those website design jobs. The next one I'm going to be speaking about today is investment. Yes, I do not know a lot about this, but I am learning. Anybody that learns eventually knows more about that venture. So investing is a great source of income in the long run. It is a great way to grow your money. Actually, it's a great way to grow your money, from investing in forex, stocks, and government bonds, bill and stuff, all those big grammar sha. But investing is a great way to make money. People are definitely cashing out from investment that they've made years ago, months ago. They are making money from it in the long run. If you know that you want to make money, you should most definitely look into investment, learn stuff about it, and start making that money, boo. So the next thing I'm going to be talking about today is home cooking and delivery. Yes, for some people that do not like to cook, for some people that do not have time to cook, and you that you know how to cook, you know that okay, yes, I want to make a business out of this. I want to actually make money from my talent or from something that I love, because me, I love to cook, but I'm not going to be doing any of that. I'm not going to be cooking for anybody and collecting money, because cooking is stressful. But I do love to cook, don't quote me wrong. So if you know that you love to cook and you know that you can make a business out of this venture, you should most definitely start cooking for people. I think they do it on weekly basis or monthly basis, depends on how depends on what the people you are offering services to. So you just you can also use your money to do that, but I think it is safe to collect money from the person that, or the people that wants you to cook for them before you deliver to them. So you collect money from them, go to the market, buy all the things that you need to use, cook the food, package them, and send it to the people that do not have time to cook, or the people that don't like to cook. So it is a great source of income. People are doing it, people are making money. Trust me, I have a friend, a personal friend of mine, she's making money from cooking food. Chef Cabs, she's in Ibadan. You should most definitely check her out. So the next thing we're going to be speaking about today is transport services, and I'm speaking about transport services like Uber, Bolt, Rider, and the likes. These people are making money. I was watching I Said What I Said podcast, and they featured an Uber driver that said that in about 3 hours he made 11,000 naira. Who makes 11,000 naira in 3 hours when you're not Dangote? Please. Oh. So Uber is a great way to make money. Bolt is a great way to make money. Rider is a great way to make money. So if you have a car and maybe you're not doing anything, you can just drive around. They have those transport services, they have apps for drivers, so you just put on that app, and when people order rides in the area that you are close to, you are going to get suggested to them. You pick them up, you drop them wherever they are going, and you make money from that ride. And also, even if you are going somewhere or you are coming back from somewhere and you say, okay, let's say for example you are going to the mainland from the island, you just put on that app and you see someone that wants to go to the mainland, you pick them up, and instead of you just going alone to the mainland, you can pick them up, drop them, and that money, you've actually made some money into your pocket. So that's a great way to make money. People are making money from transport services. Trust me, people are making a whole lot of money. The guy that used to pick me up from my mom's place, and I used to work my 9 to 5 here on the island from the mainland, he used to pick me up sometimes, maybe on the weekends and all of that. I did not used to even do on ride, I used to do like off ride. He used to make a lot of money because he used to pick me, drop me off, and like that in like maybe that those 2 rides he can make like 10,000 naira. One time he actually made 12,000 naira off me alone. So you should know that these people are making money. So you should be something that you are comfortable with. You're comfortable with people being in your car. You should most definitely try this source of income, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Leave a comment about anything that I have spoken about today, and if you also have some business ventures that people can do, you should most definitely leave them in the comment section. And let's move on to the next one. The next one is graphic design. God, these people they are making money. This one too, you also have to learn how to do it. So you have to invest in yourself before actually being able to make money from it. So it's something that if you know how to make flyers, you know how to make designs for people and all of that, you make money from it. Trust me, you make money from it. But if you do not know how to, you most definitely have to invest your time, your money, your mind into it. So you go to YouTube. If you don't have money to pay someone to teach you, you go to YouTube, and when you've made money, you can also upgrade your skills. And for graphic design, you also have to spend money on some apps, some softwares that they use. Likewise, some website design I spoke about earlier, you have to pay some money for software that they use, maybe subscriptions and all of that. So that is how you spend money to make money. So we're moving on to some bonus points I have for you guys today, and the first one is tutoring. With tutoring, you don't have to spend money to make money. You do not have to spend money to make money. If you know that teaching is what you love to do, coaching is what you love to do, you should most definitely go into this venture. I know that there are some countries where people tutor people to learn English, people tutor people to learn other languages, because if you go to a language speaking country, you most definitely have to learn how to speak that language. So you have to hire somebody to teach you how to tutor. So if you are in any of those countries, you should most definitely apply for those jobs. If you know how to speak English and you are in a non-English speaking country, you should most definitely apply to teach English and make money from it. If you are in a country where they speak other languages and you know how to speak maybe English and that language, you should most definitely apply to teach that language to people like us that will be visiting or living in your country that do not know how to speak that English, that language I mean. So that is it. That's how you make money from tutoring. And also people also tutor other courses, like you see on online. There's nothing you are looking for. There's definitely nothing you are looking for how to learn. There are sites like Udemy and all of those sites where you learn stuff from. People put their courses on there and they make money from it because you pay a subscription fee, you buy courses online and all of that stuff. So people actually making money from tutoring other people. You understand what I'm saying? It doesn't have to be you sitting 247 in one place. You can also make money from that. So the next one I'm going to be talking about as regards to maybe tutoring or selling your knowledge is writing. Yes, so writing could be writing a CV for somebody, writing an essay for somebody, writing ebooks for people. So once you have this knowledge and you say, okay, yes, I want to make money from myself, I know how to write, I want to make money from my brain and all of that, you write essays for people that need to write essays, maybe their homework and all of that. And also you can also write your ebook and sell to people. I know someone that's selling an ebook right now and she's cashing out. Trust me, she is cashing out. So if you have knowledge about something, as little as anything, you can write your ebook, start advertising and start making money from it. Guys, I hope you've picked something from this video. We've come to the end of this video. I love you guys. Watch out for my next one.